So you want to be an interior designer without necessarily going to college? Let's talk about it. I had used this image before, and some of you were not so pleased with me that I only prompted you to do the exercise, and I did not in fact tell you my answers on what the color theory and color temperature were here. So I'm doing it again because I love you and I will do these things for you. First of all, we love the design nod to the designer and contractor in the comment below. They do fantastic work. Number two, the first thing that we usually do in these train your eye exercises is identify the color temperature of the room. Some of you see black, not dark navy. That might be a screen thing, but anybody who said black, I'm just assuming you couldn't see it properly, or you're like me in the sun and then it probably does look black. Don't worry about that. So first of all, color temperature. All right, how cool or how warm the room is. I'm gonna tell you my answer, but feel free to put yours in the comments so I can see how you're practicing and I can give you tips. When we do on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the coolest, 10 being the warmest, anything we say means whatever's left over is what we could still change to make it warmer. So for example, if I'm saying that this room, which in this lighting I am saying, I'm gonna say this room is a 5.5. Really, the blue is a cooler color, but I'm giving it slightly to the warmer side. Why? Because we have warm materials being used in here. And warm materials, even in a cool toned room, will lean the room a little bit warmer. So by me saying 5.5, I'm saying that there's 4.5 left to change in here to make it flaming hot 10. Okay, so I'm saying if I painted different colors, if I put even warmer materials in here, if I put warmer lighting in here, I could only get it 4.5 degrees points warmer. So for those of you who looked at this and said 8.5, no, we can do way more than 1.5 in making it warmer. That is your color temperature. Color theory would be listing the 5 colors in the room, and what I'm going to focus on now specifically is the focal color and the base color, because that's where you guys are curious the most. So when you're designing a space, generally you're going to have 5 main colors, and you're going to have a base color and a focal color. The base is the foundation of the room's design, and that can be a very mundane color, or it can be a bold color like this. I'm going to call it navy for simplicity's sake here. Extra credit if you go to Sherwin-Williams and you find a color match and put it in the comments. And then the focal color is when you squint at it, not just squinting because it's sunny out, but when you squint at it, what color pops the most to you? I want you guys to do these exercises wherever you go. Let me know in the comments if you're doing that.